Hey guys, guess who sent me some lovely surprise products? Let's unbox them today. I can't wait to see. Okay guys, let's unbox our Ranger products that they generously sent to me. I don't know what's in this box. It's a nice surprise and they shared it with me. I want to share it with you. So let's get going. Here we go. By the way, these are their new products, 2019, brand new, super excited. Okay, sorry, fangirl here. Okay, let's go. Yay, it's Dina Wakley. Yeah, look, they put this nice tissue paper with Dina's logo, and yes, look, it's so nice. Here we go, open up. Look. Look, it's what's here. It's the 6x6. I waited because I knew Ranger was sending this box to see if I would get one of these, but I've been dying to get the Dina Wakley 6x6 media journal with the cotton paper for mixed media. Oh, look at this textured paper. Wow. Oh, it's so thick. Look how, is that one page? Wow, this is one page. Look how thick that is. Let's see if I can focus on it. How thick it is. Wow. So nice, heavy duty paper. It does have 36 pages. So look at this. It's very stiff. So see how it just stands straight up when I open the book? That's because it's so nice and thick. But it is flexible. It is 100%, well, I don't know. Let's find out. It is, yes, it is 100% cotton paper. So I recently did try my watercolors in my other Dina Wakley journal and on the paper, and they looked gorgeous. So I cannot wait to try out this book. Okay, so that's a long time to spend on this book, but I'm super excited, and I'm sure I'm going to actually order more of these. All right, next we have, the Chipboard Shapes. Now I saw Dina at Creativation actually doing pouring on these, so that's really interesting. And there some of them, oh okay, it looks like, I thought this was an abstract shape. It is, but it's a face. I don't know if you can tell. Here are the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and the edge, so that you can just put that. And I think there's some figures in here. Let's flip it. Oh yes, figures. Oh, how cool is that? Oh, there they are. That's all the things. So 2 faces and 3 different figures in chipboard. And of course, you wouldn't have to pour on them, but you could, or you could do any kind of mixed media application on them. How cool is that? I'm excited about these. All right, next. It's a book full of Dina's art, really. It's collage paper, 60 double-sided printed pages, thick paper. Look at this. Okay, nice. It has a matte finish. That's the first thing I notice, is that it's very matte, which we need that, right? For mixed media, we can write on it. We can do anything on top of this matte surface. And look at this. Oh my gosh. I think I'll have to do a video just for this collage book. Oh, look, here's multiples. Wow. Now this paper, it's still matte, but it's thick, as opposed to this paper, which is thinner. Yeah, I have to do a whole video on this. How fun is that? Super excited. Look at this. Now I think I could work just straight into this as a journal, or save it to look at it because it's so beautiful, or cut things out and put them in my art journal to add to it and you know, increase it. Oh goodness, I'm so excited. Yes. All right, next is, oh, face stamps. These are called Lovely Women. So 2 really beautiful face stamps. Dina style drawings. Dina's drawings. All right, that's fantastic. I love Dina's stamps. Oh, and a mask and stencil of, they look like ferns to me, little plants. I don't see a specific name of what they're called there. These are called branches. Okay, so this is the branches, mask, and stencil set for mixed media layering. Oh, I'm super excited, you guys. I can't wait to get started. Yes. Okay. So thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing video. This is sort of a surprise video. It's not part of my planned YouTube channel. So I will be playing with these products and sharing them with you a little bit more. Maybe I'll have to do it first, a sort of a review of this book. My review-ish, I don't really review them because I already know I love them. I just can share whether let you see if you think it's good for you or not. Playing with these chipboard shapes and this 6x6. This is so adorable. Look, let me show you compared to my regular Dina journal. By the way, here's the watercolor background that I did on the paper. Okay, sorry. Regular Dina journal. It barely fits the camera. There we go. So this is the small one. This is not the large one. And here's the 6x6. So let's see if I can zoom out a little. There we go. You can see that. So let's do this and do this. And you can see the difference in the size. So this would be very portable. You could just take your scribble sticks, your Stabilo all pencil, and this on the go. You would be set to make art wherever you are. Okay, so keep an eye out for those upcoming videos with the new Dina Wakley 2019 release of her products. I'll be sharing more, but I'm super excited to use these, guys. I can't wait. All right. I'll see you very soon. Don't forget to leave me that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment below and let me know what you want to see first. What do you want to see first? This? Maybe the stamps? Maybe all? Let me know. Okay, thanks. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.